In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily learn new openings on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, then go to chess.com and make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile. After that, at the left sidebar menu, find Learn, and that's where we can easily find openings. If we get into it, we'll be able to take some lessons about chess openings. We can filter the tutorials by opening principles, key openings, learn the Queen's Gambit, learn the Sicilian opening, and search for opening lessons. We can click at each of these categories to get into it. Also, if you just scroll down, you will get a ton of different openings, so you can get into any of them, and that's where you can find detailed explanation about that opening and also a video lesson. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.